When one says that crocodiles have been around for a very long time, what one means is they haven't changed very much for a very long time. Presumably, what it means is that they've found a very satisfactory way of life, and there's no particular reason to change it.
From the outside, crocodiles may look prehistoric, but as our autopsies shown, under the skin, they're anything but primitive. In fact, their bodies are brilliantly adapted to the way they live, and surely that's why they've survived unchanged for so long.